Okay, our next packet tracer activity is configuring a DHCP on a multifunction device. The objective of this is to connect three PCs to a Linksys WRT300N, which is a multifunction device, change the DHCP settings to a specific network range, configure the clients to obtain an IP address via DHCP. Okay, a background. A home user wants to use a Linksys WRT300N device to connect three PCs. All three PCs should obtain an IP address automatically from the Linksys device. So first we'll add our three PCs. We'll go to wireless devices, grab the Linksys and throw it out there. Next we'll connect with straight through. Connect on channel 1, fast Ethernet, connect on channel 2, finally connect on channel 3. Next, what we're going to do is observe the default DHCP settings on the Linksys. So now we will go into the config button. Let's rename this DHCP enabled router. Okay, we've named it. We'll go into the GUI. Note the default IP address is going to be 192.168.0.1. Starting IP address 92.168.0.100 with a maximum number of 50 users. We're going to actually change that. So what we're going to do is change this to 5 and leave the 1. Save the settings. Then we will come down here and save our settings. Come back up to make sure our IP address changed, which it did. Now what we're going to do is change the DHCP range of addresses on the default. That will be done at the starting IP address. We'll change that to 25. Change the maximum amount of users to 75. Down and save our settings. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to enable DHCP on client O. Go to the config tab, fast Ethernet. Come right here to DHCP and enable it, which it will automatically assign us an IP address right here. We will close that. Now we're going to see what happens on a PC that does not have DHCP enabled. To do that, we will do an IP config, enter, and we get no IP address, subnet mask, or default gateway. So what we're going to do is configure PC1 to have DHCP on both of these. Don't need it for 6. Close, come to PC2, do the same. DHCP enabled. There's our IP address. Now what we're going to do is check some connectivity. First, we'll go to desktop command prompt, use the ping command, and we'll ping the Linksys device at 192.168.5.1. Enter. All 4 packets sent, 4 packets received, none lost. Now we will ping PCO at .5.26. Enter. All 4 packets received. Check our results. Of course, it says I didn't complete them.